It's 2021 and we're at Tahiti Village. This is our timeshare that we got in 2007. This is why we picked this place. The view from here, you see the plane taking off. There's the strip, obviously, and the new football stadium's over there. It's going to be a beautiful day. We're going to the Hoover Dam. Where are we?
We're at Hoover Dam.
The Hoover Dam. What are we going to do at the Hoover Dam?
We're going to look at some rocks.
Yeah. And some water?
And some water.
All right. About 35 minutes from the from our condo to here.
About, I think it took a little longer.
And what do you think about Hoover Dam so far?
I think it's interesting because I've got a tour guide that tells me all about it. Elevations,
Yeah,
years.
I'm making all this stuff up. You know that, right? You've seen that before.
Seen what?
Where I make it all up?
Quit taking pictures of me, please.
I'm in the mood for love, simply because you're near me. Funny, but when you're near me, I'm in the mood for love. Heaven is in your eyes, bright as the stars we're under. Oh, is it any wonder I'm in the mood for love? Why stop to think of whether this little dream might fade? We've put our hearts together, now we are one. I'm not afraid if there's a cloud above. If it should rain, we'll let it. But for tonight, forget it. I'm in the mood for love.